Hey guys, welcome back to another video. All right guys, so I'm here, new location again. So we are moving up and down. All right, so I'm down by my father and my stepmom. Right, so it's a little family get together. Today is a Monday holiday, Easter Monday. So we come and say we cook some food and spend a little time with them and all of that. So everybody is here.
Yes, so introduce.
Right, we so introduce you
Or show you.
yes to them. So stick around and stay.
Yeah, we're here cutting up chicken. What, 3 whole chicken?
Yeah. Tell them what we're going to cook today.
I don't know what we're gonna cook today.
Really?
Oh, you said brown stew chicken.
Brown stew barbecue chicken.
Okay, and rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
With vegetable on the side.
Yes, and some cherry juice. Cherry and ginger juice.
Homemade.
Right.
You're gonna see how we do that, guys.
Yeah, so just stick and stay with us, guys.
Yeah, you know how we clean up meat already. Vinegar.
Right.
If you have lime, you use the lime.
Vinegar.
And that's it. Hello. The newest edition.
Yeah. New addition to the
New
family.
edition, yeah. Hello, Grandpa Denzel.
Baby.
So yes, guys, this is Grandpa Denzel. You would have seen him before on the channel, so he's back again. And we're here with the entire family. We have Mommy Kim in the background cutting up the chicken. We have Rashida's Lifestyle here again. Welcome back.
Thanks for having me.
And we have Maya over there. Welcome. Okay, we have Naya. Hi. We have Isabel. We have that Diesel.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Oh, we have Alex. Hello. Jahim. Sorry, Jahim. And wow, that's it, guys. Stick and stay with some come back with a lot more.
Okay, bye.
This is Jimmy Choo. See, I'm smiling for the camera. Alright, this is it, guys. We have some lentils here. Lentil. Yeah. We're gonna use this as our rice and peas. Or in our rice and peas. Or in our rice. We have carrots and cherries. And this is for our cherry juice. So it's gonna be like carrot cherry juice. And we have our vegetables here. We have lettuce, cucumber, tomato. And you know, we have our blend up season here for the chicken. And that's what we have, guys. And we also have some other vegetables in here. I'm seeing iris, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. So yes, guys, that's it. So here's the entire family. You know, we have the bamboo stove here, making another debut. And we're gonna cook our food on this today. Yeah. So guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment about your favorite parts of this video whenever you see it. And yeah, that's it for now. Stick and stay.
Alright, peeps. Once more, we're out again. STEWED family. As you can see in the background, everybody link up with Grandpa Denzel. So you know, so the fireman here, we'll get the fire going so we can put the peas on it. Alright? Stay tuned. Perfume done.
You guys ever see this before?
Yeah.
Perfume to light fire, the fire that smell good.
That is it, guys. Yeah, the fire smell good. Perfume settings.
True, it
That
smells
is
good.
It smell good,
We
don't
smell
it?
it.
Alright, you know that diesel out here?
Yeah. Alright, guys, here we go. Let's get the lentil wash up. Check in again, people. Look at the amount of pieces. If I look a bit now, yeah, until Roxanne said it was too much. We don't need too much peas and a little bit of rice.
Let's see. First time I'm gonna work with the peas there.
Yeah. I still have a chicken over here. Get cut up and clean up. Okay. There we go. All clean. Huh? You need more water? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Get it up and running. Alright, that's it.
How did this happen?
Yes.
I just slide off?
The chicken drop out eggs. Somebody are confident, you know. Guys, you see what take place or so? Guess what? The block is sliding.
Crazy.
I look at thing in the land grass.
Right? And not in the mud or nothing.
Yeah. Come on.
So I go.
Coconut water.
Come on.
Jelly.
Yes, I want. My one ain't no good.
Ew, look at that, people.
Taste and see if you go.
Why is there a next one inside?
That one do no good.
Alright, checking people. So this is the coconut for the lentil and rice. Lentil, peas and rice.
So actually we're gonna what? Blend it? Alright, good.
It was 2 coconut, guys, but one of them spoiled, so we'll just use one. So let's season the chicken. Remember, it's brown stew barbecue.
Nice.
So I'm using some all-purpose, some complete seasoning. Yeah, my bad. And some onion powder. I don't know why onion powder and garlic powder ever
Hard up.
hard up. And then some all-purpose Maggi. Yes, I use too much Maggi. And I have pressure. If you remember that, have pressure. Alright, and some season to the bone.
Get the coconut them going. Top chef in the kitchen.
Yeah, top chef.
What do you mean?
Some black pepper.
That is it. Quick and fast.
Last but not least, some Eve browning. Alright, so we're gonna mix up this together. Strong enough to do that.
Good already, Kim.
Alright, I'm gonna look for your spoon. Roxanne, you cover up your spoon. Can I get a spoon,
Really
please?
good already.
So this is some blend up seasoning, like your onion, scallion, pimento, garlic, and what again we put in it?
Pepper.
Pepper,
This is scallion.
sweet pepper, scallion, all of that good stuff.
Come like a little baby in the kitchen. Yeah, the taste of the coconut, you know. Yeah, man, it's nice, man. Whenever one we eat off it.
Smelling good. This is the barbecue sauce that I'm going to use. Brown stew barbecue. Comment in the comment section if you heard about that. If you ever heard about that. Brown stew barbecue.
And they said this is honey flavored.
Yeah.
Honey flavored, wow. It's a nice, you know. This gonna be nice. Alright, peeps, so we gotta get the coconut go in. So we the fire stay.
Oh, I'm gonna use some ginger. Some ginger powder too.
Yeah, ginger powder. The Jamaican people, them love them spice, you know. Just them spicy.
Got this people. Alright. So the peas is on the stove. Stone pressure.
Right.
Alright, so we're gonna let this sit and marinate for a bit.
Are the ninja I go chop up this skin? Alright, good.
That's it.
So rinse him off and get going. Put him in the ninja, but the ninja it up. That is it.
So we're just getting the carrot them cut up to blend with the cherry. And here we have some ginger here, wash and strip. So let's give them some rough chop. Smear that way. The carrot. So I'm just going to do cut them up, all of them, then I'll come back to you guys. So stay tuned, stick and stay. Alright, next batch.
Yeah. Where is the camera girl? Where is the camera girl? Peeps, to the camera girl there.
Hello.
What's up?
We're back. Nothing much.
Alright. Good.
What's the progress?
Great. Not yet. Grandma, big up. STEWED out here. That's Grandma Liz here. That's my father-in-law, wife. All right, the girls are here playing, guys. Look at them, Naya and Isabel. They love each other, you see? Jaim. Right. Maya hide from the camera as usual. Want me Kima put coal in the fire. Yeah, check out bamboo stove rather. Right. So we out here, guys. Yeah, man, spending a quality time with grandpa and grandma. Right? So actually, we're gonna put on the chicken pot, you know. Ready? Come. That is it. You have anybody who wants to say hi to?
Big up everybody who watch the channel. Big up everybody who subscribe to the channel. Something upon my face? Alright, but just clean it off. So bless up everybody who subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
And watching all the videos.
Right.
Alright.
Right. New subscriber, welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah, man.
All.
Stick and stay.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Share up the video. We're out here, you know. Yeah, man. So it's all good. Check out Jimmy Choo. Hi, Jimmy Choo. Hi, Jimmy Choo. Say hello. Tell the people to like, share, and subscribe.
Tell the people to like, share, subscribe.
Bigger thumbs up, Bella.
Bigger thumbs
Yeah,
up.
enjoy yourself, baby.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, peeps, we're
Like
out
and
here.
subscribe.
Naya,
Like and subscribe to this
look
video.
how she's sweet.
So if you
Look
puppy
here,
cute,
smile for the camera, Naya.
Guys.
Look at her beautiful
Guys,
smile.
If you puppy cute, make
Right.
a big thumbs up if you love the puppy. And
Right.
like and subscribe to the video. And if
All
you
right,
love
guys.
me or Isabel,
Yeah, man,
put a red
stay
heart
tuned.
for me. And put a purple heart
All
for
right,
Isabel.
all right, Naya.
Like us.
All right, the girls, them active. Wanna see what I go on? Yeah, we love the little settings here. Trust me, we enjoy ourselves. That is it. Right? Peace out. Yeah, Grandpa, you all right? And Grandpa, you good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
All right, I hope you enjoy yourself with your family, you know.
Of course, I must.
Your man, you're a nice man, you know. Look how handsome. I'm a father, light up peeps. Say hello to the people. Them.
Hello. Hello.
All right.
Hello, people.
All right,
Hope
good.
People are all right.
All right.
Because I am all right. Because my family are around me.
Good.
They bring me joy, you know.
All right, that
Yeah.
is it, man.
Even though I'm sick, but they bring me joy.
All right, puppy.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right. Blessings, blessings, people.
Blessings.
All right. All right, my sis here, my beautiful sister-in-law, Rexon. She's pouring in the oil for the chicken, guys. All right. Yeah, man. What they out here? No lean pot out here. Here I know. Here, grandma. They love talk about dopey. Yeah. I want dopey. No dopey around here. And then they pan phone so much.
Yeah.
In grandpa?
Yeah.
Eh.
I want video.
Yeah, tande. You know, sister, you famous.
So guys, we are putting in some garlic. Hot. Get me afraid eyes.
It burned me. Right over my eye.
That's my turn here. Wow. Guys, so I'm going to close the pot. I'm going to close the pot at this time, make it do it. So brown stew, barbecue chicken. Stick and stay, people.
It will pee pee. TV for the brand or one time.
Hear the background people.
Was it time out?
They're talking about the dog.
Time one time.
So that's what tang, strawberry flavored. Strawberry flavored.
And a bit of sugar. Sweeten to your likings.
Guys, the place is full of flies.
Everywhere we go for flies.
There's some problem everywhere.
Well, I guess them smell food from afar, you know, so.
Yeah, and that's it. Just gonna taste it, see if it want more sweetening, and then we add it.
Tastes good, man. Tastes good with the
Tang.
yeah. And we don't want it too sweet, guys. We want it very fresh. So we have the igloo there with some ice. Stick and stay, guys. Oh, cat watch out. I don't remember about it. Yes, the peas, I don't look fine. Guys, the pot smells good, you see? Smells so good. Alright guys, so the chicken finish, vegetable finish. Gonna show you. So here we have the peas with the coconut milk and seasoning. Yes, I want this to boil up before we wash the rice and put it in. My tongue and tie up, guys.
As usual.
Yes. So that is the peas and the coconut juice. Yeah, the season up already.
So wait on that to cook.
Right. Let's go over here. Let's show you the meat. So this is the brown stew barbecue chicken.
Hey girls.
Guys, if you realize it's dark, it's night now. We don't have the right lighting out here because we're not at home. So
Vegetable.
that's it.
The vegetable is over here. You know my tongue always a tie up enough people, so
Simple.
your
Simple
tongue.
one too. Let's just cook.
don't watch that. Yes, so stick and stay with us. Night catchery, but it's all good. Some pepper. Somebody said when you put in the rice like this, guys, the rice swell more. I don't know if that's true. So let's see. Yeah, back. Of course. Alright, I'm gonna sprinkle some salt. No sprinkle, put in some salt. Some Maggi all-purpose. Where is my spoon? Gonna stir the pot. Taste. Want a little bit more salt. And guys, I'm not salting the pot. Just taste it. Alright, stick and stay, guys. When I come back, the rice is supposed to finish. Alright guys, so food just ready. And look at the hours guys.
Hey guys, after what seemed like forever. I said the boat land.
The boat land, right?
So here we have the brown stew barbecue chicken. Smells so good.
Beautiful.
That is it, people. We started from probably 5 o'clock. It's now 8:30 something.
You can imagine, man? Because what? The cola give away a warm time, people.
And we don't have express with us, so you know, I have to use and fan it. Alright people, let us share the rest and then come back. Alright guys, check it out. Here's the finished meal. Brown stew barbecue chicken, rice and peas, and vegetables. That is it, people. So if you reach this far, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let us know your favorite parts of the video. And stay tuned for the next one. Yeah, that is it.